So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find your TradingView ID. So starting off, if you are within some chart and someone is trying to find your ID so you can communicate between yourself or find your chart on TradingView, in order to get to your ID, it's quite simple. So make sure to tell them to look for your username. So this is really important. So let's close this chart and go back to the layout. So opening up this, usually some accounts have usernames to be their email, but on TradingView, it's not the entire email that's the username. It's actually just your username, or rather this abbreviation that's going to be your TradingView ID. So once you're setting it up, or you're talking with someone that's trying to look for your username on here, so you can see symbol ISIN or QUSIP. You can click on people right here, and you need to type in that username. To find them, it's the same as typing in the TradingView ID, and through there it's going to be added on your TradingView account, so you can find what they were looking for or what they added, some idea they shared with the community on TradingView. So you can locate them with your TradingView ID, which is your username right there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TradingView or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.